So one of the questions I get asked often is how do we go about blurring faces inside of PowerPoint? And obviously we sometimes need to blur out faces because we haven't obtained consent from somebody whose photo we're using, or if we've taken a photo of somebody, we haven't got their consent to use it. So it's just for their protection. So in this presentation, what I've got here is I've got a stock image of this very good boy here sitting on the park bench. So what we want to do is we want to blur out this good boy's face. So to do this, we select the image, we need to make a copy, and we can do this in two ways. We can either go Control C and Control V for copy paste, or right click and select copy and then paste, or alternatively my favorite is using the keyboard shortcut Control D, which makes a duplicate. Okay, I'm just going to close design ideas down, and then I'm just going to overlay the two images like that. So now we've got the two images on top of each other. What we need to do is we want to blur this good boy's face out. So what I do is I select the top image, I go up to picture format, and then on the right hand side under the size ribbon group, we've got the option for crop. I'm going to go to the crop option, and we can select this drop down, and we can either crop manually, crop to a shape, or crop to an aspect ratio. But because it's something we just need free flowing, I'm just going to select the top option as crop, and then I'm going to drag the image or the grab handles to the right area that I need. So I'm just selecting this good boy's face. Okay, to make sure that we've got the selection we want, we just re-click crop. All right, and now you can see we've got a copy of this good boy's face here. Okay, I'm just going to go Control Z to undo to put it back into place. And now to make that blurred effect, what we do is we go to Artistic Effects. In this drop down, we have the option for blur as indicated here. So let us select the blur option. Okay, if I hover over, it says blur. But the blur hasn't quite done what we want just due to the fact that it's a very subtle effect. And what we can do is we go right click again. In this right click dialog menu, we go down to Format Picture. If we select Format Picture, it actually opens up on the right hand side. And because I've already done this before, it remembers where I left off. If not, you might see your list like this. So what we do is we come up through to the effects and we go down to Artistic Effect. So it's already selected the artistic effect for us. And then under radius, let's bump that radius up to about a 48. Okay. And the 48 has now done the blurred option that we want. Alright, so it's not exactly the cleanest option because we can see a lot of offset around the edges, but that is the quickest and easiest way to going about and creating a blurred effect inside of PowerPoint. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and let me know what else you'd like to learn.